I purchased some add-ons to go with my spring 2022 FabFitFun box, so I decided I'd go through them with you here. First up is the All Recipes 2022 Calendar Weeknight Winners. This calendar has recipes inside, one for each month, and on the back, I will flip it over and show you in a second. It shows all the dishes for each month, and it also came with a menu planner. So I'll just flip this over, and here are the dishes for each month, as well as it will have a recipe to go with them. And then it gives a list of side pairings as well. But the main reason I got this bundle was for the meal planning sheets. I try to be really organized with my meals because I do work a lot of hours. I have very little time to prepare, so I try to pick things that are easy and that will feed our family good. And this has 52 sheets, one for each week of the year, and a shopping list area as well, so that will help me stay super organized with that. I also got It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin. I got the regular spray in my box, but they had this as an add-on, and I do use leave-in conditioner frequently, and this is a really good price for this brand, so I thought I'd pick an extra bottle up. Then I got some Mighty Patches, just because I find these work really well on like small blemishes, and I'm currently all out, so I thought it would be a really good time to pick some up and stock up. I also got this 500-piece puzzle, just because I thought it would be pretty easy to do with the different colors of frosting and sprinkles, and it's winter. I'm inside a lot, so why shouldn't we do a puzzle? So this is a really cute puzzle, and I'm happy that I picked that one up. And then finally here, I got the Lazy Susan. For category 1, I had a really hard time deciding between the Robe and Lazy Susan, so I decided to get both. I'll just open this up so you can take a better look at it. The variations in the wood are really pretty, and I've been wanting a Lazy Susan for a while. So here we go. Give it a spin. I think I'm really going to like this. And it's good for entertaining, for just to have a cheese board. Or I could keep my spices on it. I mean, there's so many uses for it. So I'm super glad that I picked that up as well. So I'll just tuck that back into the box. And also I got a freebie. It's Heineken non-alcoholic beer. I'll give that to my mom. She can't drink alcohol anymore because of her medication, but I think she'd like to taste a beer. So we've got the Heineken Zero, little freebie. Then I had the Lazy Susan, the Mighty Patches, the Donut Puzzle, the meal planners, and the calendar. That's it for my add-ons. I hope to see you later on in the week when I show you my mystery bundle. It was my favorite yet. Have a great night and take care.